Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to prepare regular paper for decoupage. So let's get started. So I have a beautiful art print here. I've had this for, over a decade, and I've been just holding on to it because I knew I'd be using it at some point. So now is the time. So I want to remove some of the paper fibers on the back of this to make it thin enough to use for decoupaging. To make it easier to work with, you can place the print underneath something heavy overnight so it flattens out. Now I'm going to use some regular tape here just to secure the ends to position the print in place and then smooth it. Then I'm going to use some packaging tape. So first I'm going to place the tape along the edge. And then smooth it. And then I'm going to place the other strips of tape butting up right against the edge, not overlapping. I'm going to smooth it out using a credit card. So this is what we have so far. This is still too thick, so I'm going to remove another layer of fibers. this looks good, but I still think it could be thinner, so I'm going to try to remove one more layer of fibers. Okay guys, so this is 3 layers later. I have a second copy of the same print here. And I'm going to just compare the thickness of the paper. So now you can see how much thinner this one is compared to the original. I could still remove some more fibers, but I really don't want to risk ruining the image. So I'm going to just stick with 3 tries. So there you have it guys, my DIY alternative to using rice paper or napkins for decoupaging. Check out my other crafting videos and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!